Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 6 divided 1 by 3 times 9. So many people make the common problem, that is, they did the mistake, they cancel out the 3 and 9 as 3 times and 6 divided by 3 as 2. Which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you heard it right. The right answer and right approach is to, while solving this type of problem where multiple operations are given, so you have to follow BODMAS or PAMDAS rule. As per this rule, we know that multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's left, it's division. So first we convert the sign of division to multiplication and do the reciprocal. So overall it becomes 6 times 3 times 9, which is 18 times 9, which is equals to 162. So what is the correct answer? 162, top 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.